Hi, this is Mr. Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to save your Scratch project to your computer. Now this is why I want to do this. I'm working on the Dance Party project, and I've just finished the first 4 videos. Now I'm at the add-on section. There are 6 add-ons, and if I do all 6 add-ons on one project, it's going to be very confusing. One possible solution to keep your code nice and clean is to save your project to your computer. Put it in a folder where you can find it, and then name it at the bottom. Dance Party. Then click Save. Once inside the folder, you take the file Dance Party and you right click and you select Copy. Then you click inside the folder, right click again and click Paste. Then you'll have a Dance Party copy. Rename this file the name of the add-on you're going to use. So let's look at the first one. Invite friends to a dance party. So I'm going to rename this. You can right click and click Rename and name it here. Invite friends to a dance party. That's the first add-on. Now go back to your project, click File, and then click Load from your computer. Find your file, invite friends to a dance party, and click Open. And there it is. Don't forget to name the file. And now you can start your add-on.
Cass has a beat playing in the background.